Hello again, Sarah from One-Eyed Cat here, and welcome back to the ultimate checklist, Google Ads checklist for e-commerce. We are now on checklist item 13. Have you disabled dynamic ad extensions? Now, similar to yesterday's video, this one is not really as much about wasting ad spend, having a lot of money going out where it shouldn't be. This one again is more about having control, because by default, even if you have ad extensions set up, Google will create kind of dynamic ones to show with your ads that you have no control over. So this is about how you controlling the way that your ads show and controlling what is contained in those ads, or more specifically in the ad extensions that are shown with your ads. So I'm going to dive into the interface now, and let's have a look and show you where you need to go to check whether you have disabled this and to disable it. So this is a test account, so there's no traffic running through this account. So we won't see any data for our any automated ad extensions, but you can see where to go anyway. So you just basically go to all campaigns and you go to ads and extensions. And then at the top here, you can see you'll want to see automated extensions. So this is where it will show you. So if they have generated these automated extensions, they can be site links, they can be structured snippets, then any traffic data, so clicks and impressions and all that kind of thing, will be shown here. You won't be able to see what the extension looks like. It'll just say that it's a structured snippet extension. So as I said, there's no ads running here, so we have nothing showing. So in order to turn these off, if you have data here, to turn them off, you need to go, it's very obscure, over here to the little 3 traffic light symbol here where it says more. Click on here, go to advanced options, and then here we go. How would you like automated extensions to work in your account? So use all automated extensions that typically boost ads performance, or turn off specific automated extensions. So you just check that turn off button and choose an extension type. So you will need to go in and turn this off for every type. Seller ratings, I would recommend you don't turn off, because if they want to show some positive review, the star ratings, then that's a good thing. So that's fine. But you can go through and turn off all these ad extensions in here. Just click turn off and done, and then that's all sorted. The one thing I would say with this is only do this if you do actually have all the relevant ad extensions set up in your account. So you need to make sure under the extensions tab that you have the best possible ad extensions manually set up that you can for your account. Everything's relevant. Everything, the call outs, the structured snippets, the site links, the price extensions, everything must be set up really well here, and then you can turn off your automated extensions to get just a little bit more control over how your ads show. So that's today's checklist item. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and comment below if you have any questions. There's also a link below to download the full checklist if you want to do that. But I will see you in the next video. Take care now.